what's up guys? Welcome back to another video of Eon, and today we're filming a dumpling. Yes, this is the box that we buy at school. See that? And we're also gonna eat my snacks. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's open this. Let's see what we get. We got the rare one. Oh my gosh, guys, you won't believe this. We got the rare one. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, this is very cool. I know. Oh no. Oh bro, this is very rare. I literally want this. Okay. Oreos, not yet.
So hopefully ito ay makatulong sa kanila. We will build 100 odd clusters at a time. At ito ay dito sa iba't ibang mga munisipalidad na affected.
So cute.
Ang donation, biyagi sa office of the First Lady sa Malacanang,
Drop.
o sa Department of Tourism. Laki sa
Eh,
Department of Interior.
damn.
Ang masiguro na maamot yun sa target na beneficiaryo.
Meron siya talagang balak mag-donate. Kasi nga sabi ko, ang Japanese, pag may salanta pa rin tayo
Okay.
disasters, they have the earthquake, they have typhoons, and everything.
Okay guys,
And
another Oreo.
compassionate for victims like them.
I don't know why this is very rare. That's what you do. Okay, fine, dumpling. Just like mine is so sparkly. I literally got the rare one.
Because yung ibang bahay na resulta, effect ng lindol, hindi na pwede mabalikan. And sinigundahan kami ng baha.
Sana ay tibayan ng ang loob nila, tibayan ng pananalig sa kanilang sarili at lalong-lalo na sa Diyos.
Okay, this dumpling is very famous. People on stream like this famous toy. Like sometimes they always wanted the rare one, sometimes they got the rare one. But I got the rare one. Let's go! I won't destroy this. I won't destroy this. Okay, I like this. I like a dumpling.
Enough na.
Sobrang ay mikrobyo at ang mikrobyo ito